Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We're going to put two dash cameras head to head and see which one comes out on top. On the left, we have the Miden Dashcam, and on the right, we have the Miden S7 dual dash camera. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's start with the most important aspect of any dash camera, the video quality. The Miden Dashcam boasts a real 4K plus 1080p dual camera setup. That means it captures every detail on the road, from road signs to license plates. And with its crystal clear night vision, you won't miss a thing, even in the dark. Now let's talk about connectivity. The Miden Dashcam comes with Wi-Fi and phone app control. You can easily access your recorded videos, watch live streams, and even share your footage directly to social media. It's like having your own personal paparazzi in your pocket. When it comes to safety features, both cameras have got you covered. The Miden Dashcam comes with an accident lock and a 24/7 parking monitor. Its G sensor ensures that any bumps or collisions are automatically locked as vital evidence. And with the 24/7 recording and time-lapse feature, you'll have a reliable witness for any situation. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The Miden Dashcam is priced at $99, and considering its top-notch features, it's definitely worth the investment. You're getting a real bang for your buck. The Miden Dashcam has received positive reviews for its functionality, picture quality, and easy installation. Reviewers appreciate its automatic ONS feature and the ability to connect to a phone via an app. The 24/7 parking monitor and time-lapse feature are also praised. On the other hand, the Miden S7 dual dash camera has been praised for its exceptional video quality, easy installation, wide-angle lens, and user-friendly interface. Reviewers find it to be a reliable and affordable option. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Miden Dashcam and the Miden S7 dual dash camera in various categories. Both cameras had their strengths, whether it's the Miden's superior video quality or the Miden's cost-effectiveness. Remember, it's important to consider your own needs and priorities when making a purchasing decision. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a smarter choice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful comparisons. And as always, stay smart and buy smart. See you next time.